So make sure that you slide it on, and it avoids the challenge because it is so tight that if you're trying to drive the bolt up through and into the nut and hold the clamp at the same time, it's really a challenge and takes about 6 hands to do it. The one other thing that I noticed is here on the ball clamps, there's actually a note that says 30 nanometers plus or minus 2. So it's actually suggesting using 30 nanometers of a torque wrench to set these bolts to the correct tightness. So I'm going to make sure to do that. I didn't see that in the guide, so I'm going to follow the direction here on the clamp on what it should be set for. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use those big clamps to connect these smaller pipes to the muffler, and which will get the muffler oriented and set up again. The one thing that we want to really notice is, and again, here's that mid strut right here. Notice that the pipe is still sitting on the mid strut. So as we get this all oriented, we're going to want to make sure that this lifts up and away from the mid strut and isn't rubbing. So all right, so we're going to do the connections to the muffler next, and that's almost it. We're almost done. All right, so I wanted to do one last review. So we've got these mid clamps on, like I mentioned, and so let me describe this here really quickly. So what I did is I slid this clamp. I had both of these loose, and I would slid it onto these pipes. I lined the pipe up with the exhaust, and then I slid it on both sides, and it slides all the way up to the weld right here, and then you tighten them down thoroughly. This will also orient your muffler, because you'll feel like maybe your muffler tips are not quite oriented quite right. And we want to talk about gap and spacing here in a second, and as I slide up the body, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So keeping all your connections loose to get all of your orientation right, it's not loose but snug, is important, because you want to make sure your muffler tips are in the right orientation and the pipe has the right kind of clearance and all of that. So let me show you as I move up the body. So now everything is tight now because I've tightened everything down, I've oriented and tightened down, but I want to show you. So our clamps from the smaller pipes to the exhaust are on and tight, and these are 15 millimeter in this case. Now let me slowly slide down here and I'll show you the first hanger right here. So the hanger is on, this is 13 millimeter and it's tight, and that is an 8 millimeter to the little belly pan right there. That's also tight. As we slide down, we're going to look at our ball clamps.